That's the S3, man. Come on. Actually, man, look at me, ripped off, so I need to listen up. The part number, but I can't seem to find it. When you headlight for that, mate,
oh my word.
yeah. Like,
No dilly, no dally.
the dashboard there back's not gone off, and so is the knee bag, so that's good. Expensive build, this, you know, people. Expensive build.
Can't see my face cause of Bali. Having many toes like Bali. Make a man move to the valley. I got the packs to the Cali. And I got them big back yally. Make a man go do lally. Make her breathe and carry. Standard to keeping it gutter. This is my bread and butter. Don't wanna hear what they'll utter. I shut down your shop and shutter. I spend it out for the money.
Yes, people. What, man? What are you saying? Good, yeah? You good? Oh, cool, because the boy ain't good right now. Because, yeah, if you haven't read the title of the thumbnail, the S3, dead. Gone. Initial. Nah, so basically what's happened is my car's been involved in an accident. So obviously, right now, it's at a garage, getting sorted. Actually, it's been sat in the garage for the past 3 weeks, you know. Nothing's been done just because obviously I've been trying to get the parts. But obviously, you would have figured that out anyway because my car's all over TikTok. So obviously, I just want to explain to myself. I did not drive the car to check. My boy drive my car. Now he's one of my closest boys, so obviously if it wasn't my closest boy, obviously it would have been a different story. But yeah, he drove the car. I told him, you know what, bro, because he's been asking me to drive the car for the longest time, and me, I don't let no one drive my car because that's my baby. So I thought, bruh, you know what, fuck it, bro. Here's the keys. So obviously he's launched it going up. That was cool. Now I wasn't just to launch it going up. I didn't ask him to launch it coming down. Now when he's coming down, he's coming towards the wall. So obviously when he's coming down, I'm thinking, yeah, this car's moving. It's also allowed for a stock car, like because obviously it's got like what's an OPF and that, so I could hear it. I thought, yeah, it's pretty loud. And then I'm recording him coming down. I'm thinking, yo, he's coming a bit too fast. I'm like, oh my god, he's coming too fast. Next minute, he's hit a wall. I'm thinking, the first thing I did is I looked up and thought, no fucking way. The guy just ripped, like, he practically ripped off my car. I thought, wow. But yeah, let me not get too much into detail. But yeah, the point of this video is that we're gonna go and pick up some stuff from some areas. I need to get a new rag. So basically, I'm getting the whole front end. You know what? I'll show you the car. I'm gonna show you what the car looks like. Right now, what I've done for the last couple of days, obviously, I've ordered a new airbag. Steering wheel airbag. I ordered a new, curtain airbag. The dashboard airbag didn't go off, and the knee bag airbag didn't go off. So yeah, it's a bit weird. It didn't go off, but you know what? I can't complain. Seat belt is obviously jammed in it. Obviously, once you get involved in an accident, it's jammed in it. But anyway, so yeah, we're gonna go and fly up now. I'm gonna go meet my boy in the van because obviously I ain't got a van and I ain't paying for no. Yeah, I ain't paying for no van. Because yo, it's already an expensive job. So yeah, man, yeah. This is like I said, man. This is the sort of video I do not want to be doing. Nah, honestly, just me thinking about it is pissing me off, bro. But yeah, anyway, forget that. Let's go and jump straight to the garage now and drop this off. And I'm also going to show you what the car looks like as well. But yeah, man, come through.
Oh my word.
Local music.
Yeah, no dilly, no dally. Jump in the car and rally. Draw for the Bucky and Strally. With my enemies, I don't pally. You know the score and tally. Can't see my face cause of Bali. Having many toes like Bali. Make a man move to the valley. I got the packs to the Cali. And I got them big back yally. Make a man go do lally. Make her breathe and carry. Standard to keeping it gutter. This is my bread and butter. Don't wanna hear what they'll utter. I shut down your shop and shutter. I spend it out for the money. I spend it out for the profits. Trying to get them keys to the local music office. Trying to get them keys, break it down and shot it. Go online and copy it. Taking off like rocket. I got the plug like socket. What you looking for, I've got it. I got the key, unlock it. It's a good deal, can't knock it. Man, I hate him, don't watch it. Just like a game, I'll clock it. My style, you can't mock it. Man, I out for the wealth. Just trying to better myself. Trying to have good health. Check the weed on the shelf. Man, them do it themselves. Ganja farmer.
Not as bad as you think. Obviously, regardless, I don't want the car to look like this anyway. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Yeah. So Yeah, bro. So I just spoke to the guy. The guy said that they've done they've run the diagnostics. There's no damage to the engine. I didn't think there was going to be damage to the engine anyway. But yeah, and this looks like this has come off. Actually, no, it looks like it's ripped off. So I need to place an off new one on this one. And what's this? This also came off as well. So I tried to find the part number, but I can't seem to find it. Look, honestly, it's fucking tough, mate. Yeah, pass us this, bro. Yeah, that's madness, mate. So yeah, this is all the part. So check that. That's the damage. Yeah. Fucking hell. Let's see what else. Yes, they got that in at the pack. Headlights. You know what? Features, we're gonna go around. See that, people? The new headlight for that, mate. Arm, fucking leg. An arm and a fucking leg. Big. I was looking at these, yeah, they're like £1,000 because it's obviously it's the fucking black edition headlights in it, so it's the LED matrix in it, so they're not cheap. But like I said, we're gonna go pick up the whole front end, so it comes with it. But yeah, let's see this. Let's see I just want to see the damage. So yeah, check that. Fucking hell, people. Now where's the crash? Is it the crash bar? Where's that? What's this? No, it's not. It's not. Oh, okay. Oh. Fucking hell, what's up, people? I'm gonna try and get this out, so, because this is what I want to show you. So yeah, look at the damage on that. See that? Yeah. Fucking hell. Yeah, people. Fucking hell. Still can't find the thing. Anyway, people. This is what it looks like. Battery's dead, so can't even start the can't even turn, can't even open the door, and as well this I need to replace this oil sump pan because it's took a slight, come close, bro. Took a slight damage there, bro. Now obviously I don't want to start the car and then for this to be leaking, so I'm gonna place a new one, get that replaced before starting the car, because let's see, is it loose? It doesn't look loose, but I'm not taking that chance. You know what I mean? I'm not taking that chance at all. But there's my issue. I tried to find this part on eBay, and even on Thingy, I still can't find it. I'm out to actually. I don't think Audi even sell this part separately as well. But yeah, let's see. Everything looks fine. Honestly, there's no damage at all to the engine. So yeah, as you can see, curtain airbags are gone. If you come closer, the dashboard airbag's not gone off, and so is the knee bag, so that's good. But obviously, and I also had the pan roof open as well, so there's no damage to the pan roof. But there's a slight damage to this. I spoke to them. They said the body shop guy said this is not even an issue. But yeah, it's literally what it looks like, people. But yeah, look at me for a sec. Yo, if you think I'd write my own car off, that's just fucking madness. Like, how do you crash a four-wheel drive car, people? Like, it does all the job for you. But like I said, it wasn't me driving, and so people need to understand. Like, I know my own car. I've had it for like 5 months now. I know when to stop. I don't know when to go. Believe it or not, I recorded my own car getting crashed. Bro, I recorded my own car getting crashed. It's fucking mad. I was like that. I was like, yeah, this is quick. I was like, yeah, it's coming a bit hot. Bang! I was like, fuck off. Fuck, bro. Oh, I can't be arsed. But anyway, forget that, people. So that's what the car looks like right now. Like I said, we're gonna go pick up the whole front end. Comes with a bonnet, comes with a thingy. But yeah, you might see that in the next video. I don't know. You might be seeing it in the same video. But yeah, man. It's expensive build, this, you know, people. Expensive build.
Right about now, you know we're gonna get in something spectacular. CHK.
Of course we are, ripping like a warrior, cause out here is Gorio. He slapped me on the band, had me doing Victoria. Bro, mixed the work with
Let him know.
Born in California, of course we are, ripping like a warrior, cause out here is Gorio. They slapped me on the band, had me doing Victoria. Bro, mixed the work with alkaline, he got the formula. Born in California, of course we are, ripping like a warrior, cause out here is Gorio. They slapped me on the band, had me doing Victoria. Bro, mixed the work with alkaline, he got the formula. Money affirmate, soon caught the mad protect. AMG banging spec, my niggas selling ant and deck. Had to get my stat correct. Bad connect, I told him kick it like Lacazette. A snake's friendlier, bounce back, my game steadier. Tinted up, I'm in the Bay Area. Driving out Hattons on my wrist, weighs heavier. Grey SVR, fuck the AMPR. True say you're getting.
Oh yeah, let me chat to you. So the plans with the car. Obviously, warranty's gone. So do you know what that means? That means, flipping out. So that means that the plans I had with the S3, getting into like, you know, 3, 2 and all that, that's gonna be fast forward a lot sooner now because warranty's gone. So because originally I wanted to get a car first, then I wanted to get a second-hand car, then play around slowly with the S3 because it's, you know, it's on warranty. But because the car's been involved in a collision, warranty's gone. So yeah, so as soon as the car's back up and running, because obviously the car's only doing 4,000 miles, so obviously it's too soon. So obviously my boy told me, yeah, let me get the car to at least 8,000, 9,000, and when we get it, then we'll go from there. I'm gonna go to stage 2 stage 2 plus, because I'm not wasting time on stage 1. But hopefully by the time I'm gonna go ahead, the stage 2 is out, because right now for the 73 plate, for the 23 plate and 73 plate, the ECU is still not out. The stage 1 is available, but on stage 2 is not available. So hopefully by the time I want to get the car mapped, yeah, I'm active, you get me? Car should be out and ready. But like I said, I'm still gonna get a second car on the channel, but now that's gonna be delayed because the money I was gonna put towards a second car, it's not what I'm spending to fix the S3. Like I said at the beginning, it's looking like it's expensive. It's expensive. The whole front end itself is like $5 grand. And then that's, you know, then don't forget airbags, you know, seatbelt. Then we're gonna spray paint the car, and then we're gonna fix that pillar on the side. What else? What else? I know I'm still forgetting because I know there's a few things I'm missing in the car, because I know I've got to get a new air intake and all that bullshit. So yeah, man. In Bradford right now, fucking hell, yo, it's madness right here. Just traffic's so bad, isn't it, bro? Fucking bad, bro. Yeah, traffic's so bad. People just come in into, oh yeah. The good job I'm not driving, bro. I ain't got road rage like that. But you know what? If I was to live here, this place will make me have road rage 24/7, people. Sugar. But yeah, man. Anyway, yo, like I said, we're on the way to Manchester now. So we're with one of my boy. He's in the van. Obviously, yo, we're not fitting this whole thing in the fucking car, bro. It's mad. Yeah, stay tuned, yeah.
You won't like to listen when I talk. Now you're dinner to the walls and then lifting up your jewels. Cause you're flashy with no swammy and you're thinking with your balls. You see the curves are disgusting.
Yes, people. Look at the RS3. I don't know if you can see it, but yo, aggressive. If I was gonna get an RS3 with the exact same colours of mine, but there's one right behind me, bro. Absolutely bad.
Throw darts. My pattern different like go yards. Drip so hard, long sleeve, chrome hearts. I was scheming in a course with no heater in. Light day, couple quid by the evening. Fat split while I'm reasoning. My nigga doing that Rico, match the work, steady wheeling.
So yeah, just touched down Manchester now. We're gonna load all the thing off my boy's van, and then yeah, man, flipping out. Yeah, bro, let me say thank you, man. My guy came through, man. My guy came through. Yeah, you know what? It's his day off today. But yeah, you even had clients in it, you know, so that's how you was a grafter. Come on, bro. Now tell them the business, innit? Because I obviously showed them on Instagram.
Oh, right. NW Raps, man. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Instagram, same thing. Snapchat, same thing. Google, same thing.
Tell them, so
And then obviously we
YouTube's-
wrap cars, full wraps. We do tints, we do dechroming. If we do MOTs and all stuff like that, we've got a place in Manchester and Salford.
Yeah.
So obviously if you want to check us out, just visit us.
Yeah, man, good stuff, honestly. Like, I've been going to them when I had my A3, I went to them. I was planning to go with my S3, but obviously that's obviously happened, so shit.
Man,
Yeah.
man. Get
But
it
obviously,
fixed
we're
back
still
on the
gonna go
road
through
and then bring
We're
it
gonna go
down
through
and look after you know what it is, bro.
So yeah, man. But you know what, people? That's gonna be the end of the video. Obviously, yo, keep an eye out. Cause obviously, I'm gonna be showing the rest of the process. You know, the whole spray paint, the whole airbags fitting. I'm gonna get them to record the whole build because I'm a busy man. So obviously, I got work to do. And obviously, I'm a father too as well. So yeah, but yeah. Like that, enjoy. So like, subscribe, and comment. The whole shebang.